We've all heard it. Red meat is bad for you. But hold your horses. Or should I say, cows. While overconsumption of anything can be detrimental, lean beef, when enjoyed in moderation, can contribute to a healthy and balanced diet. It's time to move beyond the myths and uncover the truth about beef's nutritional prowess. For too long, beef has been demonized, relegated to the treat category or banished from plates altogether. But emerging research suggests that this delicious protein source deserves a place at the table, offering a range of health benefits that shouldn't be ignored. From providing essential vitamins and minerals to supporting muscle growth and maintaining energy levels, beef, when consumed responsibly, can be a valuable ally in our quest for optimal health. So before you relegate beef to the culinary sin bin, let's delve into the science behind this misunderstood meat. Get ready to discover how incorporating lean beef into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious choice for a healthier, happier you. Yes, you read that right. Good fats in beef. Forget the outdated notion that all fats are the enemy. Beef is a source of monounsaturated fats, the same kind found in olive oil, which have been linked to heart health. These heart-healthy fats can help improve cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. They also play a role in regulating blood sugar, keeping those energy crashes at bay. But wait, there's more. Beef also contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, a type of fat not readily found in other foods. CLA has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers and may even help reduce body fat. So, go ahead. Enjoy that lean cut of beef knowing you're doing your body a favor. Move over. Vitamin C. There's another nutrient in town. Beef is a surprising source of vitamin K, often overlooked but essential for our well-being. This unsung hero plays a crucial role in blood clotting, ensuring our bodies can heal wounds effectively. But vitamin K's talents don't stop there. It's also a key player in bone health, working in tandem with calcium to build strong bones and prevent osteoporosis. And emerging research suggests that vitamin K may even have a role in brain health, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. So next time you enjoy a beef stir-fry or a juicy burger, remember that you're not just satisfying your taste buds. You're also giving your body a healthy dose of this vital nutrient. Power up with protein. Why beef is king for muscle growth and repair. Let's talk protein, the building block of our bodies. Beef is a powerhouse of high-quality protein, providing all the essential amino acids our bodies need to build and repair tissues. Whether you're a gym enthusiast or simply trying to maintain muscle mass as you age, beef can help. Protein is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and preventing those pesky cravings. It's also crucial for hormone production, regulating everything from mood to sleep. So whether you're recovering from a workout, trying to build muscle, or simply want to feel your best, incorporating lean beef into your diet can provide the protein your body needs to thrive. Beef up your diet. Reaping the rewards of this nutrient-rich meat. It's time to give beef the recognition it deserves. From heart-healthy fats and bone-building vitamin K to muscle-boosting protein, beef offers a range of benefits that contribute to a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Remember, moderation is key. Choose lean cuts of beef, trim visible fat, and enjoy it as part of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. By embracing beef's nutritional power, you can enjoy its delicious flavor while reaping the rewards of this nutrient-rich meat. So, go ahead, fire up the grill, and savor the taste of beef, knowing you're making a delicious and nutritious choice for your health and well-being.